Before I updated Davinci Resolve, I used to be able to split clips by going in the Edit tab at the bottom, selecting the clip, right clicking, and there used to be a option in here called Split. Now it's no longer here. I don't know where I would find it, but I did find a keybind, which is holding the control key on our keyboard and pressing B when this timeline bit here is in the spot I want to split. So in this instance, I'm going to drag it to before I start talking in this video, because it takes me a minute to figure out what I'm going to say half the time. And we're going to hold control on the keyboard and press B, and it's going to split our clip into different bits from where that line was. And now from here you can do whatever. You can either, if you're more fancy with editing, probably add different bits in this part here, merge videos together, whatever. But in my case, I would just want to highlight the bit where I'm not talking and press the delete key on my keyboard and get rid of it so that the video can begin. And that's as easy as that to split a video. Control and B.